this is a Colab. This is a product of Google, and we are going to run our Python class 1 today here in Colab, which will give you the overview of how Colab will help us to do Python programming here in this platform. Okay, so this is a notebook. This is called as cell. Okay, and here we are going to write similar before we start executing anything. So since this is a cloud based service, we need a machine to run our commands here. Similar to Databricks, we have a option of something called as connect. The moment you click on connect, you are getting resources allocated. You are getting a machine to work on. I got the machine created for me. This time I got disk of 23 GB and storage of 107 GB. So this is a complete machine I have. Now if I go and write the same statements which we just write over there in the Databricks, I will say welcome to data neurons, and then if you click on this button, it will execute your command, right? Similarly, the same exercise which we did, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, then y is equals to a plus b, and then print if you just add, and this time I'm going to add some message, sum of a and b is, and outside these codes I'm going to pass that output variable y. Okay, the moment I do this, sum of a and b is 5. I get the output. The shift enter, if you just type the command shift and hit enter, you are going to get the output here. Okay, the other advantage of this tool is that most of the companies, they use Google product to work upon. They use Google Gmail, they use Google Drives to share the data, to access the data. You can also access your data from here, from your drives. You can link your drive, Google Drive. You can have your all data into Google Drive, and you can read all the data from Google Drive to here. Okay, so if there are scenarios, we will down the line, we will talk about that, how we are going to do it, read data from Google Drive or read data from the local files. Okay, so this is about, again, like, since our objective is to learn Python, and we know the first step what we have to do is we have to spin up a machine, and then we are going to write our statements here. Okay,